Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can build a website in Wix. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, go to your browser and search for wix.com. I will leave this link in the description down below. Create new site. Then there is three options. You can start your website from scratch, and you can also choose a template, and Wix also can generate your website. But I would recommend you to choose the second option, which is start from template. Then from these options you can choose any template you want. So let's just choose one template, then click on edit. Now you can edit the website as you want. You can add text, you can edit text, and also you can remove text, you can adjust the buttons, you can add image, you can add and delete pages. Let's edit the header and the button of the websites. And you can also change the color of your website. You can upload images. Choose your image and click on Add to Page. Now let's edit the text. You can also preview your website. So after you edit the website, you can preview it by clicking this preview button. Then, as you can see it on different device, on desktop, and on mobile phone. In order to publish your website, click on this Publish button. Then Wix will give you a default domain, and you can also connect your own customized domain. So let's just choose the default domain and click on Save and Continue. So as you can see now, we created our own website. So to view the site, click on this View Site button. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.